The location on her phone, for his phone, says he might be in the backyard somewhere. It's gonna be at 9:41.
All I got was wind with the location.
Behind you. Hey, drop the knife! Drop the knife! Drop the knife! Drop the knife!
My guy right down the nail.
Drop the knife!
Stand by,
Drop the knife! Drop the knife!
in between the highway and the residence.
Drop the knife! Put it down!
Get on the air! He's not dropping the knife!
Put it down! Put it down! Put it down! Put it down now! Greg?
Yes, you, Broome. He's coming that way! Coming that way!
Drop the knife!
300 to your feet. Get us some units behind the backyard here. Copy. Additional units. 306, head that way.
Drop the knife! Drop the knife! Taser, taser! Drop the knife!
He's still up right outside.
Drop the knife now! Drop the knife! Hey, house. House. Don't go in the house. He's in the garage right now. Drop the knife. Drop the knife. Drop it. I don't see a knife. I don't see a knife. Drop the knife. Stop. Drop the knife.
Drop the fucking knife!
Drop the knife. Drop the knife. Drop the knife.
Shots fired! Shots fired! Shots fired!
Blue, blue, blue. Sir. Sir, drop the knife. Sir, drop the knife. Please, drop the knife, okay? Drop the knife, sir. Sir, drop the knife. Drop the knife. Drop the knife. Drop the knife. Sir, drop the knife. Drop the knife.
Shots fired! Shots fired! Shots fired!